Hey, this is Terry, and in this video I want to discuss our I25 and I35 integrated amplifier platforms. These are modular, so we can start with a basic integrated amplifier, add a D-Day conversion stage, and then the Prisma module, which is our control and connectivity module, a network player that allows us all kinds of connection capabilities and the ability to control a local area network drive, as well as then go out into the internet and stream from virtually every streaming service available around the world. Now, what set these two apart outside of their having two knobs for the I35 and one knob for the I25 is both inside and outside, but best seen from the back. They both use our UFPD2 amplifier module. Now this is an advance over our original UFPD, and this is a Class D module where we think we've really optimized that technology's benefits, and there are many. And we'll do a separate video on the details of what makes up the UFPD2. But for now, understand that what UFPD2 provides is linear amplification across the entire audible bandwidth. And this is a little bit different from earlier Class D designs, including our own, the UFPD. And what this does, the benefits that derive from this, is this ability to have linear amplitude and therefore perfect balance and coherence of all of the sounds produced, both from the lowest frequencies to the upper frequencies. And what this means is that everything just seems more coherent, better balanced. The sound staging effects are more open, more precise, more detailed. It's simply better sound and has even a better ability to drive even the most difficult speakers in the largest rooms. So both of these are extraordinarily capable amplifiers. The biggest difference comes in two ways. One, the I35 has 150 watts per channel into 8 ohms. The I25 has 100 watts into 8 ohms. Also, the I35 has a pair of balanced inputs that the I25 does not. Now the I25, with its 100 watts per channel, derives virtually any speaker, and it is a perfect choice, particularly if budget is an issue for anyone putting together or looking for an integrated amplifier. For larger rooms, maybe slightly more difficult speakers, then the I35 really becomes important, particularly for anyone who wants balanced inputs and derive the benefits for slightly lower noise that input connection scheme can provide. Both, however, are modular. And what this means then is that we are able to put in the D-to-A conversion stage here with its multiple different inputs from Toslink to RCA as well as USB-B, and that this D-to-A conversion stage then feeds the modular Prisma connectivity and control board. And the ability for that Prisma module to control a local area network drive, a hard drive, a NAS, with the largest digital media library you might ever encounter, as well as then reach out into the internet and grab any streaming service available, utilizing connectivity platforms like Bluetooth, AirPlay, Spotify Connect, Chromecast built in. And as with all of our Prisma models, that Chromecast built in serves a number of functions other than just accessing over 160 music services available from around the world. It does so with a high resolution that most of the other platforms don't allow, up to 2496. So higher resolution streaming platforms like Tidal, Qobuz can be played back and get the benefit from the higher resolution sound that they can provide. Additionally, Chromecast built-in allows us to use the Google Home app to very easily set these up within any home network. And then on the opposite end of that, once it's all set up, we can use voice control using a Google Home speaker and Google Assistant. And what this means is that you have this wonderfully convenient way of controlling the system. And more importantly, even those that aren't necessarily interested in high-end audio equipment, but do want to listen to high-performance audio and allow for them to have the benefits that provides, anyone can use this. You can use familiar applications that are already on your phone or on your iPad. You can obviously speak to it to be able to have it play anything that you might want it to play. And so with that, these are incredible control systems and power systems at the heart of any really high-quality audio system. And the other thing that is, I think, really of primary importance is that even though these are what we would call our full-size cabinets, they're still very compact. And that's another benefit of that UFPD2 module. We don't produce a lot of heat. It's a very simple circuit. We have very short signal paths for the best possible sound, and that allows us to put this into a small compact cabinet where all of those constituent parts work most sympathetically together to provide the best possible performance. For more technical details, specifications, and other information, go to Primare.net.